What's going on, guys? It's been a little bit since we went and bought something, so we are about to go buy another four-wheeler. It has a couple issues, but trying to get back into racing a little bit, hopefully. I'm gonna take this four-wheeler selfie parts off of it and then hopefully build it. It's got a few problems with the motor, but we're getting a great deal on it, and I really can't pass it up. So I'm headed to go get my girlfriend first. We are actually gonna have a date night tonight, and yeah, so I got the money. Ready to see what we get. I'm hoping it's in decent shape. It ain't gonna be the best, you know. We'll fix it up. It's supposed to have 34-inch assassinators, which is always great. It's got 6-inch lift, turner axles. I think it's Super ATV lift. I'm probably gonna sell the lift. I got all the stock stuff on my 2023 because I took everything off my 2021 and put it on my 2023. So I still got my stock suspension and stuff. So you gotta find some axles. Hopefully get a little sponsorship, get some new axles. If not, I'll be finding stock ones probably. Someone took them off another brand new four-wheeler, hopefully. Not sure what build I'm gonna do yet. I'm gonna try to race it though, probably end up stretching at some point, but all that's in the future. For now, we're gonna try to get it running. Might enter a few holes, ride around some. Really not planning on selling it. I may sell it. If it's not exactly what I want, I'll probably fix it up and then get rid of it and just leave it how it is, get more money out of it. But I know probably a lot of y'all are kind of like, well, why'd you sell the race bike you just had? Well, guys, it wasn't something I built, and I've always really wanted to build one, so I sold it back to the guy I bought it from. Every time I pulled up to the line, I felt like it was his four-wheeler, so it's fun to race it. I absolutely love the thing. It was an absolute beast. I'm not sure if I'll go that far with the one I'm building, but we will see. I just want to be competitive, have a chance, because right now stock bikes just really don't have a chance. Unless you just get lucky, which I've gotten lucky before. So, yeah, we're going to do a little build on it, hopefully. And, yeah. Let's go. What are we getting, babe?
I'm car sick.
Car sick? Are we getting something new? Not exactly.
No, you're broke.
What? Why am I broke?
Because you have a bougie girlfriend.
First time seeing one of these in person. What do you think? That's pretty cool. I think I'm gonna sell everything I got and buy one of these. Low price of like $40,000. What's up, guys? So I forgot I was gonna film a video on this thing. Yeah, I already tore this thing down a little bit. So I'll try to include a picture of how it looked before, but it and it had 6-inch lift, turner axles, about to sell them. 34-inch naders, one had a hole in it. They're pretty worn out. I'll sell them too, because I'm gonna try to get my money back out of this thing and then decide what we're gonna do with it. So hopefully it's gonna end up a race bike, but if you didn't, I am working on buying a house. Hopefully, well, by the time this video's out, I'll probably be closing on the house, because I'm just gonna show tearing this thing down and hopefully make a decision on what I'm gonna do with it. But that will be later in the video. Probably gonna take the rad kit off. Kind of want to run a Renegade rad kit in the stock location. So probably gonna sell the wild boar kit. I don't like the wild boar kit anyways. It just shakes a lot, not very many mounting points. So, and I want a Renegade without that. I ain't gotta worry about flying over the front, hitting my head, you know, knocking me out. So even the horn's pretty strong. But this thing actually runs. Took the key inside. It'll crank up, it'll move. 6-inch lift. It has a blown head gasket. Didn't pay too much for it. Probably gonna replace the head gasket, get everything set, standard. I have another motor in a box. Probably start building it. hopefully that's the plan. If not, gonna fix it, gonna sell it. And yeah, it's a 2016 1000 XMR. Doesn't look too bad though. I mean, it's definitely been non-maintained. Like, they didn't do nothing. But got some good things, some bad things, a lot of bad things. But it's a pain to take all this stuff out. Took a lot longer. I probably could have done all this in one night, but did not because of how much of a pain some of these parts were. They're rusted. But turn axles, sell them, settle lift, put it back stock. I got the stuff off my 2023. Just gotta find some axles. So yeah. Sorry I didn't get a video of it before I start taking it apart. I actually forgot. But it's all good. Yeah. Holy crap, guys. That's what success looks like, baby. Look at this diff. This thing, I cleaned it off with some brake cleaner. Tasty. God, it took forever. I've been beating. This didn't work. Finally just broke the side off. Stuck the screwdriver in there. Beat the crap out of it. Fell, hit my foot. But thank goodness, finally got it out. Let's go. Well guys, the lift is officially off. It's gonna be gone soon. And if it's an indicator of what this thing's gonna be like working on, it's gonna suck. All right guys, we're out here today. We're gonna start pulling off the footwells, clutches, gonna start pulling the motor out. It needs a head gasket, so we're gonna get started on that and see how far we get today. It's after work, so not sure. Yo, I ain't gonna believe this crap. That just made this buy so much better. That is like $1,500 to $1,700 with clutches right there. Let's go, baby. Well guys, she is naked. So front diff, motor and tranny. Let's start getting this thing torn apart. Whew, thing ain't light at all. We are in this thing now, boys and girls. It's pretty dirty. Head gasket blew, so it had water going into oil. And yeah, I'm not sure if I got any grit in there. Probably gonna end up rebuilding the whole thing. But yeah, tranny needs a little cleaning. But actually the oil that came out of there wasn't too bad, so hopefully it'll last a little while. But gotta make a decision on this. That gasket was definitely blown. You can see a mark where it was coming in. So yeah, probably gonna change these rings, of course change the gaskets, and I may just rebuild the whole thing. I'm not sure yet. I got it out of the machine, so makes me think I should rebuild it, but a lot more money, a lot more work, so I'm not sure yet. Got both sides broken down a little bit. It's about time to go to sleep. It's about to go inside to eat, take a shower, and we'll get back at this another day. Got to cover it up though. Don't need no rust. Well guys, we went ahead and decided to open her all the way up, baby. So yeah, got it all cleaned up. About to change the rod bearings, change the main bearings. Might change the PTO bearings, not sure yet. That can be changed later. So let's do it. The new shop. Pretty roomy. Bunch of parts to go through. What's going on, guys? So just doing suspension off of this one, putting it on that one. We're gonna end up selling this bad boy. Got the motor rebuilt. Probably gonna take the back side off where the PTO is and put a new bearing in there, because that's the only bearing I didn't change because I didn't have it at the time. Now I have it, so I'm gonna change it before I put the motor in. Yeah, I'm gonna put the transmission back on the motor before I do that. But yeah, I gotta press in a new bearing and then we'll be rolling with this. All right, y'all. Well, this is the new build. We're probably gonna get rid of the radiator kit and stuff. I want a clean Renegade look, just a horn. It's gonna be hopefully gonna end up being a race bike, so you know, radiator getting too hot. I mean, hopefully it won't be running but a few seconds. So yeah, we're gonna move the radiator back down to the stock location. I got my 2023 suspension off of this one on it. Right now, I got some tie rods. I'm about to order actually right now. And then I'll put those on. And then I got Rhino 2.0 axles in it. I'm going to change out the back ones as well. Everything on here is going on there. And then my 23 suspension going on this. That's actually my 2021 suspension. So I was a lot of talking really fast. This motor's blown. The motor's gotta be pulled out, rebuilt. Probably gonna rebuild it stock to start with. Might throw a little spray on it with stock motor. Maybe not. See how long it lasts. But I got an extra motor in a box. So yeah, that was a lot of talking, and I'm about to get to work because I got a lot to do. It's probably gonna take a while, but eventually this one will be put back together, and we'll have a little video on just it, and then I'll start on this one. Well, might do the Grizzly after that. Got a motor issue, I think, with it. It will be sold as well. I'm gonna end up with 2 Renegades, these 2, and then my X3s. What I'm hoping, get a little bit of money back from my purchases lately. So hopefully it won't be taking too long to get everything done, but you know, we will see. All right, yeah, so I got the motor put in, got clutches on. I already went ahead and put it back together because I already cranked it. But for y'all that hadn't heard it run yet, oh man, my battery. Well, guys, I broke it. Did it? How did I manage that one? Bolt came out a little bit. Yeah, that's a goodie. That's a good one right there. Yep. Oh well. All right, y'all. Well, we got this thing pretty much cleaned up, ready to go. I'm gonna put stock tires on it, but ain't bad. We're gonna turn the key on. She fires right up. Oh, I hate when I do that. The little star solenoid is a little battery's kind of but she starts right up and she purrs like it. But yeah. So yeah, rebuilt the motor, put new rod bearings, main bearings, new gaskets. It's got 2020 suspension on the front, 2020 axles all the way around. It's got 2024 suspension on the back, but still 2020 axles. It's got the tires and wheels off of my 2023, but those are gonna come off before I sell it, unless somebody offers me a lot of money, then you have them. Got stock clutches now. Everything else is pretty much stock. I'm gonna put the thing back on that, and I gotta find a way because those tabs broke. So I am gonna fix that before I sell it. But yeah, she is ready to go. Besides those little things, I hooked my computer up to it. It's got about 300 hours on it. The screen doesn't work. I gotta fix four-wheel drive. Four-wheel drive don't work either. Check the fuses first, probably just fuse. But if it's not, I have a couple extra actuators I'm gonna put on there. But yeah, that's it right there. Well, guys, got the 2016 sold, finished, and she has gone to a new home. So time to start on a different one. All right, this video is, yeah, old Titus. I don't know if I'm gonna do the Grizzly or going to start on this Renegade. Grizzly's gonna get gone, but I'm keeping that one.